Hello, hi, I'm Temega from Yizocom. As we know that there is a rumor about Isibaya might be cancelled because of less viewers. The happiest news today is that Gabindo returned to Isibaya. That makes a hope to the Isibaya fans that maybe it won't be cancelled because Gabindo will bring back viewers since he is the one of the others like him the most. We don't know when he is coming, but what I know is that he started shooting. He posted the picture on their set, captioning Brancaps no Varavara on the set. Earlier this year, there was a rumors about his death, which was not the truth. Even on Facebook, there was a circulating photo writing "Rest in peace, Kabinde," which was wrong information. Kabinde played an evil witch daughter on the show, but in real life, he is a right person. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it. Thank you.